Hi guys, today we're going to be making a rain experiment. We're going to be showing you how rain is working. This is a fun way to tell your kids how rain forms. So you need jar of water, sky blue food coloring, any blue food coloring. Actually, it can be any color, and you need shaving cream. So first you're going to pour you bring a little bit of shaving cream into the oven. Let's put a little bit extra. Okay, so once that's done, a minute. Over that a little bit. Okay, next we are gonna open the blue food coloring, and then on the side we're gonna pour a little bit of blue food coloring, and then look down. Look at all that rain. Oh wow. So the water evaporates, it turns into clouds, and then once it evaporates, once it turns into clouds, the water fills up with ice particles, and once it gets too heavy, it can't hold it anymore, so it starts raining. I hope you like this experiment. I'm gonna do it right on this side. I want to put some blue here to make it look cool. And the experiment is done. So I'll see you in another experiment today. Bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed.